Remove the product, PuriCare filter, inner cover and face guard from the packaging. Separate the filter cases from the product. Install a new PuriCare filter. Assemble the filter case. From the front of the product, the power button should be on the left, and the LG PuriCare logo should be on the right. Insert the hooks at the bottom of the face guard into the slots at the bottom of the product, and press to secure them. Attach the face guard to the magnet on top of the product. If the face guard and the product are not assembled correctly, product performance may decrease due to air leakage. Insert the inner cover into the face guard. Pull the end of the ear strap to adjust its length. Put the wearable ear purifier on to make sure that it fits comfortably. If the ear straps are uncomfortable, use the provided strap extender. When you press the power button, the product will turn on and operate in the low mode. Each time you press the power button, the mode will change from low to medium, high and power off. A beep will sound once to indicate the low mode, twice for the medium mode, and 3 times for the high mode. A longer beep will sound for the power off mode. When you press the power button, the remaining battery level is indicated by the light on the power button. The light is green when the battery level is over 70%, orange when the battery level is between 15% and 70%, and red when the battery level is below 15%. Discard and replace the inner cover if it becomes soiled. To clean the face guard, remove it from the product by pulling the top of the face guard. After removing the face guard, wash it using clean water, or wipe it with a swab or soft cloth moistened with alcohol. If the face guard is very dirty, clean it using a mild detergent. Clean the surface of the produce with a soft, damp cloth. Clean the exhaust area with a cotton swab moistened with water or alcohol, and then dry it off with a dry cotton swab. Do not allow water to enter the product, doing so may cause product failure. Insert the hooks at the bottom of the face guard into the slots at the bottom of the product, and press to secure them. Attach the face guard to the magnet on top of the product. If the face guard and the product are not assembled correctly, product performance may decrease due to air leakage. To remove the ear strap, fold the ear strap and hook inward. Hold the ear strap hook and lift one side of it up to remove the strap. Insert the ear strap into the groove with the ear strap hook facing the inside of the product. Separate the filter cases from the product. Remove the used PuriCare filter and install a new PuriCare filter. Assemble the filter case. From the front of the product, the power button should be on the left, and the LG PuriCare logo should be on the right.